What's going on, guys? We got a DURAMAX truck here that we're working on. I've done the Bilstein shocks. Working on doing the rockers on the inside and the outside. They're pretty rusty. Got them all fixed up. Take you to the other side. Same thing, they're all fixed up here. And I'll show you what I did under the hood. Replace the turbo mouthpiece with an S&B. And we're working on cleaning up some of this wiring. So yeah, quite the amount of work. Oh yeah, we're doing rear bags as well. And something like this guy. I haven't done much welding before, body work, so it's my first time doing second time doing body work. I'm just gonna end up, so I've done the welding so far as I've shown you, but I'm just gonna end up putting some seam sealer on it. And primer, and then we're going to hit it with some rocker guard. So I'm not too worried about the body not being perfect. As you can see, is not quite perfect, but there's no holes.